This is Aleeza Nadeem and she is my mother, and today I will tell you some exercise tips, how to do the exercise and how the exercise is favorable for your health and how it keep you fit. So my mother will follow me during the exercise and I hope that you guys will also follow me. So first I will start with the easy one, then move to the bit difficult and professional one. So wasting no more time, let's jump right into this exercise. Now we will move to the first exercise, and this exercise named jumping on your toes. Jumping on the toes means that you have to jump on the toes like this. You have to uplift your heels and you have to bring your hand towards like this. And then we have to jump on our toes only, not on our heels, like this. 10 times, 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And now we will move to the second exercise. In this exercise, we will open and close our legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we'll move towards the third exercise. This exercise is very good for your shoulders because from this your shoulders be stretched and become more flexible. So we have to move first forward, then backwards we'll move. So as you know that these exercises is very good for your health. These exercises keep you fit and very active. And in the lockdown mode when we guys are bored, I know that I'm also bored in this lockdown. So if you guys are bored, so you can practice these exercises. So from this way you will be not bored and your body will also be so much stretched and flexible. And as flexible you are, as much good you will be for your sport. And now we're moving backward. That's it.
And now I'm giving the chance to the Aleeza to continue for the more exercises, which is more difficult and more professional as well.
So now my mother will get a bit rest because I think she is tired. So I'll move to a bit different and a bit difficult exercise that you guys can follow. Everyone can do this, but it will be for that person who is more flexible. It's very easier for them. Like if you practice these exercises on daily basis, so your body will become more flexible. So in this exercise, so for this exercise, you have to open your left leg. Now my mother will get a little break and rest on the chair. So then I will move towards this fourth exercise. Continue, Ani. Okay, in this exercise, what you have to do is open your left leg like this, and we have to fold both of our knees like this. As much as you open, so more stretchable and more flexible you will become, like this. And you know what? The best thing about the exercise that you are thinking that you're doing proper, not as much as the pain you're getting, it means that it is so much proper and you're doing the proper exercise. Because pain means that you're doing a proper exercise, like this. Now we will move towards left hand side and the right hand side. You can practice these whenever you want, whether you're in the park or in the home. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And you can practice this exercise before any sport, because before starting any of the sport you have to practice the exercise, because whether it's football, basketball or any other sport. So now we will move towards our right hand side and we will fold our right knee and we have to straighten our left knee like this. As much as down you go, it means more flexible you are. If you practice these exercises on daily basis, you will become more flexible. And now we will move towards like the right hand side. We have to straighten our right foot and the left. So you have to uplift whole the body and do this. Hope you guys enjoyed all the 5 exercises and found these exercises useful. If you do enjoy, so follow me and give this video maximum amount of likes and follow these exercises before any starting of the sports. Like my mom follow me, you guys must also follow my videos. So thank you guys for watching. So that's it for today and that's enough. Then that we move from easy to difficult, that's enough. So bye bye.